Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 29 of our 30 days of yoga series. And today we will be focusing on twist. More importantly, twist while we're in downward facing dog. So the only prop you will need today is your mat. So grab that and we will get started. So we're going to start sitting back on our heels. Lift the shoulders up and back, sit tall in the spine. We'll start with our 3 breaths. So on the inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. And then we'll transition over to table just for a brief second. We're going to set up for a downward facing dog. So you're going to tuck the back toes under, lift the hips up and back, coming to your downward facing dog. Sending the heels towards the mat, pressing down through the palms of the hands and the fingertips. And then from here, we're going to shift the weight to the left foot, lift the right leg up behind you, and then bend the knee and open the hip towards the right. And then extend the leg back behind you, bringing the hip back down, and then release that foot. Back to downward facing dog. And then we're going to lift the left foot, bend at the knee and open the hip to the left. And then extend and bring the foot back down. And then from here, just shorten your stance a little bit. Walk the hands in or the feet. And you can kind of widen the feet. So we're going to come into some down dog twist. So we'll start with the right arm. You'll bring that right hand to the left ankle. If it doesn't quite reach, just bring the right hand towards the foot. And then release. And then we'll do the same with the left. So we'll bring that left hand to the right ankle or somewhere closer to the foot. And release. And then we'll just walk the hands or the feet back to our downward facing dog. Full breath here. And then slowly lower to the knees. We're going to come into a child's pose. So I like to widen my knees, bring the big toes touch. Hips will go back and arms will go forward. Head rest on the mat, and we're going to take a few breaths here. And then we'll come back up, back to our table. We'll repeat that one more time. So you're going to tuck the back toes under, lift the hips up and back, come into downward facing dog. And this time we're lifting the left leg, opening the hip, and then bringing that foot down. Lifting the right leg, opening the hip. And replacing that foot down. Widen the feet, shorten your down dog. And then we're going to bring that right hand to the left ankle. And release. And then left hand to the right ankle. And release. And then walking the hands back or the feet, coming back to your down dog. Full breath. And then slowly lowering the knees down. We'll come back to one more child's pose. And then when you're ready, we'll come back up, bring the knees together, and we'll sit back on the heels. And we're going to end with our 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Namaste.